Hi guys, and welcome to What's in My Fridge. If you want to stay watching, let's have a look. As you can see, that's where we start at the top shelf. I have all my dairy products, my cheeses, my yogurts we have in the mornings. I love hummus, salsa, and then the second drawer is where I keep my cooked meats, chicken for Stuart, some smoked ham, quiche for Sam, pepperoni when I make my homemade pizzas. Third shelf is where I keep my bacon and drinks, and in the salad drawers where I keep all my fresh veggies. And in the doorway we have Stuart's favourite jam, some soup, which makes a healthy lunch, some tartar sauce, one little garlic bulb, has some orange juice for packets of Sam, limes for my drinks, pickles for sandwiches, my iced coffees, my treat, milk, cranberry juice, Lucozade for Stuart, ranch dressing, salad cream. Yeah, so I hope that's just giving you a little insight to what we're eating all week. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.